Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Backyard Shenanigans video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a picture show of what I've been doing in the Backyard Shenanigans garden since returning from my road trip. Just trying to get things cleared from the spring and summer garden and prepare for the fall. Here are my two green stalks. They are cleared and stacked, and the soil that was in them has been sifted and stored in these 3 silver trash cans. I finally pulled the 3 trays of Ozark strawberries from the other side of the yard, and I plan on putting them into the green stalk planters like I was supposed to do originally. This is a picture of my mini raised beds set on top yellow pallets. I've cleared the right side, which had the elephant garlic in the front, the kitchen garlic in the middle, and the corn and sunflowers in the back. These are my fruit trees that don't fit on patio row. From front to back, I have the pink lemonade lemon tree. I have a blood orange tree. I have a Washington navel orange tree. And then the back is my royal lead cherry tree. The black cobra hot peppers have mostly turned red, but I still have a few black and green ones on the plant. Here's my Asian date, Chinese date, Asian jujube. I thought this was dead, but as you can see, I have some fruit coming in. Here's my Keystone giant pepper, and looks like one is ready to pick. Y'all, I was supposed to be saving these onion seeds, and they like fell over into this bucket, and now I got a bunch of new onions. Of the 4 plants that I got from Home Depot, I believe it was a cucumber, a bell pepper, something else, and this tomato. This sun sugar cherry tomato was the only one to survive. These Black Beauty eggplant seeds were dormant for a long time. Now I finally have some growth with several sets of leaves. This is the Miracle Leaf of Life plant that I heavily cut back due to aphid and spider mite infestation. I was surprised, but y'all, it bounced back beautifully. And then here are some of the leaves from that same Miracle Leaf of Life plant. I just stuck them in a bucket, and then I put a couple leaves in this bucket too. After several months of being on the ground, I finally found a place to put my 3rd bird feeder hook, and so now the hummingbirds and the regular birds have another place to get something to eat and drink. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this picture show of the things I'm doing in the garden to transition from my spring summer garden into my fall winter garden. The temperatures are not that much different, but hey, it's never too soon to plan ahead. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. Now that I've cleaned up a few areas of my Backyard Shenanigans garden, it's time for me to go through my 2021 and 2022 seeds, pick the fruits, vegetables, and herbs that I want to plant, and sow them in these new silicone bottomed cups.